Is your engine acting like it is drowning in gas while that bright orange check engine light stays solid on your dashboard because you might be dealing with the code P029F? This specific code means your cylinder number 2 fuel trim has reached its minimum limit, and in plain English, your engine computer has detected an extremely rich condition in the second cylinder of your engine. Your car uses a sophisticated fuel trim system to constantly adjust how much gas gets sprayed into the combustion chamber, and right now it is trying to cut back as much as possible because there is far too much fuel in the mix. This is a generic powertrain code that you will see on gasoline vehicles from Mazda to Ford and even BMW, but the exact steps to fix it might change slightly based on your specific ride. You are definitely going to notice that your engine performance is not what it used to be and your fuel efficiency is taking a major hit, which means more trips to the gas station. You might even have trouble starting the car in the morning or feel a noticeable misfire while you are idling at a stoplight in heavy traffic. The most common reasons for this rich condition are a defective fuel injector that is leaking or a bad fuel pressure regulator that is letting too much pressure build up in the rail. It could also be a faulty oxygen sensor sending bad data or a failing mass IEFF or manifold absolute pressure sensor. To start your troubleshooting, you should perform a general inspection of the fuel injection rail area and look for any signs of gas leaking near the regulator or vacuum lines. If you see gas on the outside of the regulator, it has definitely failed. You will need a diagnostic scanner to watch the oxygen sensor operation in real time to see if that rich condition is actually happening. If it is, you should use a fuel pressure gauge to see if the pressure matches what the manufacturer says it should be. If the pressure is too high, you likely need a new regulator, but if it is normal, you need to check the voltage and ground pulse at the injector for cylinder number 2 using a digital volt ohm meter or a Noid lamp. If you hear a steady clicking sound with a stethoscope, the injector is working, but if the sound is missing, it is probably clogged or dead. You should head to a professional mechanic if you are not comfortable working around high-pressure fuel lines or if you suspect the powertrain control module itself has a programming error. Getting this fixed quickly is super important because running too rich for too many miles can melt your expensive catalytic converter. Take care of your car and it will stay on the road for a long time.